So other people today are traveling, I don't know, as much as 2,000 miles that we've heard of to watch the total eclipse of 2024. And we're going to travel a total of 200 steps.
How do you like that walkway we built this spring?
So we did this spring instead of traveling out west, didn't it? We have this little room here that we didn't know what we'd use it for when we first started going down to our dock, but now we know you can't make it all the way up. You have to sit down and rest a few minutes. So they were really smart to build that. But we have a bird that every year will build a nest up here. Let's see. Wonder if he has any eggs in it. I don't know if we can see them or not. But hey, you remember the lobster pot buoys that Lynn found in the Keys?
Last year? Didn't find any this year, but
you finally found something to do with them, didn't you? We see the sun through the clouds there.
You get a little fish?
Yeah. We're wondering what the wildlife will do when the sun starts going down. We have a little female, a doe that's out here.
Where her family is.
This is a way to watch a total eclipse right here.
There's some fish.
We've decided we're actually going to take the kayaks out a little bit further into the water and see what we can see from there. Okay, over my shoulders, cloud cover. With the glasses, you can see that it's about, I don't know, 60% there right now, but you know, you can't really tell. I'll point it up there and you can kind of maybe see a little bit of it. That's what we were afraid of. If we drove so far, you still are, even though you're in the perfect place, which we're not right now, if the weather's not perfect, you're not going to see it. So maybe we made the right decision. We hope you got to see it, though, if you drove there to see this. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event, at least in our little area. That's pretty cool. Oh.
Is that you howling at the moon?
Yeah.
I don't know. We kept looking at it. I don't know if it was normal.
Yeah, you're
trying not to look at it.
Yeah, you made fun of me. And you don't even remember it.
I don't even remember, but it's still funny because I know the feeling. I've seen people do it.
We're talking about the fact that we went to Dick's and I had to use the bathroom, and I came walking out into the parking lot and I had a stream of toilet paper on my shoe.
I do remember one time you
What?
You had it coming out the back of your pants. That's worse. Normally it's just toilet paper on the floor that you pick up on your shoe, but when you have it coming out of your pants, you know it's yours.
Yeah.
And you don't know what's on the end of it.
That's true. That was before our son-in-law bought us a bidet. Of course, you can't take that with you.
You can't take that to Walmart with you.
I need to do that. I need to do that sometime. How do I hook this bidet up in here? Somebody help me. I gotta wash my butt off.
So the light's coming back up. It's getting warmer.
Doesn't feel like we've been to bed.
So what do you think?
I'm glad we did it.
Yeah, I'm glad just being out in it. Doesn't really have to, I don't have to look at the sun a lot. I gazed at it a few times. You gazed at it a lot.
Yeah,
but we didn't really go anywhere. We just stayed home, and I think that was okay.
I think so too.
I think it is an awesome experience. It is an awesome thing that happens in our lifetime, and
it's supposed to happen again in North America in 20 years.
yeah, I'm sure we will.
I'll have some white hair by then if I'm still around. I don't know. Maybe we'll plan to do something more epic then, but
I doubt it.
Hey, bud, what did you think of the eclipse? Did you like it?
Somebody let me home.
You had to stay home, huh? Okay. How was that?
It was fun. It wasn't a great big to-do or anything, but it's what we did at our home. Just being out in the environment and kind of seeing it, not looking too much at it, but he did. He looked a
Probably did more than I should have, but it was weird watching Mother Nature reacting to it. The deer have already come and eaten, and they usually do that right after the sun goes down usually, so they kind of thought that it was becoming sunset, it looked like. And the fish acted like they thought it was sunset. Topwater lures work better than underwater lures, and it kind of messed them up too, I think, a little bit. But
so what did you guys do for the eclipse?
Let us know. Did you get to see it? Were you lucky? You know, we were lucky in that the sun came through the clouds right at the right time to kind of see it for maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then now, as you can look around us, it's completely cloudy again. So if you haven't guessed already from this, we're not still in the Keys in Florida. We're back at home, but we'll keep showing those as weekends progress. And all righty.
See you next time.
On the next the next Total Eclipse. I do want to say that back in the 70s, I went to high school, and it was a different time back then. The word Karen just meant that you knew somebody named Karen. It didn't mean a Karen, and things weren't quite like they are today as far as the woke environment and people, you know, saying things. So one of my best friends was a black guy that I played ball with. And after games on Friday nights, a lot of times we'd go riding through the middle of town and wasn't anything to do, so we'd shoot, we'd moon people. You know what that means. If you're old enough to know, you know. One time we're going through town, and you know, he got to talking about it wasn't really fair that we got to moon people, but he said, I'll just drive by the theater and I'll just shoot everybody a total eclipse. We were way before our time.
I don't know if I tell that story.
Also, Lynn wanted me to tell you this joke too about farting.
I did not want to tell any joke about farting.
But this little boy was in the bathroom, and his little sister farted, and then he farted, and his sister said, you know, Mommy, why is little Johnny's farts louder than mine? And she said, I don't know. And little Johnny said, I do, because I've got a microphone and 2 speakers. That's it. That's a wrap. Cut.
Time to go eat some dinner.
Well, we saw some deer down here before. Have you seen the deer down here yet today?
No.
Do you feel like chasing them?
No. He's sleeping.